Next topic is IoT applications. So, under IoT applications, first one is smart homes. IoT applications, we are having three different topics like smart home, healthcare and then smart devices. So, each application through programming we will see how we are going to apply that. So, under that first topic IoT applications for smart home. So, IoT applications for smart home can be smart lighting, intruder detection, smoke or gas detectors. So, these all comes under smart home. You can write a program for any application like smart lighting. Lighting means whenever you are entering the room, maybe you want to on the bulb or you want to on the ACD or switch on the TV. Like that, if you want to do those applications, that comes under smart lighting, that we are using this using PIR sensor. Next, intrusion detection. So, you can do this using Pi camera, where if there are any other members other than your home, any other intruder or any other person who is roaming in outside your house, if you want to detect that and get it as a message in your mobile or you want to get it as a message in any web application, you can do that application in this topic intrusion detection. And then smoke or gas detection. If there is any gas leakage in the kitchen, you want to detect it and you want to take the preventions at that particular time, getting the message in an app or getting a message in web applications, you can use this topic smoke or gas detector. Finally, these are all the type of applications which comes under smart homes. So, we are seeing example as smart lighting in this session. You can try out all this if you want to. Next, smart lighting. Smart lighting means achieving energy saving by sensing the human movements and their environments and controlling the lights accordingly. So, here key enabling technology for smart lighting includes movement based light on or off or opening the door or close. So, here this can be done by using IP enabling lights. So, wireless enabled and internet connected lights can be controlled remotely from IoT applications such as mobile app or any web application. So, you are trying to achieve this remotely connect. That means at a particular time the particular person is not available in that particular place, but still you want to use that application wherever you are. That means you are at home and you are finding someone roaming here, you want to inform your family members, that you can do remotely by using some mobile applications or web application. So, that we are trying to achieve using this smart lighting with the PIR sensor. So, next type of domain here is intrusion detection. So, home intrusion detection system use security cameras and sensors to detect intruders and give some alert messages. The form of the alert can be in any form, like this you can get a buzzer in your phone or you can make a LED on in that particular place if you are present. If you are not present at that particular place, you can make that message as some SMS or any email, or you want to grab the image of that particular person and send that as a video clip and attach to that mail and send it remotely to the person who is not there at that particular place. That you can do intrusion detection. So, here gas or smoke detectors. Smoke detectors are installed in homes and buildings to detect smoke, that is typically which you can give as an early sign of fire. It uses optical detection, ionization and air sampling techniques to detect the smoke. So, these are the techniques used by the sensor to detect the smoke or any fire in that particular place. So, here the form of the alert that can be signals, that is send a fire alarm system or any buzzer alarm. So, the way you are sending the alert is it can be any fire alarm system or any buzzer. So, gas detectors can detect the presence of harmful gases such as carbon monoxide, liquid, petroleum gas, etc. So, it depends on which area you are trying. If you are taking a petrol pump, if there is any gas leakage, we are telling LPG gas. If there is any gas cylinder leakage in particular home, then we are saying carbon monoxide. So, what is the area you are choosing and what you are trying to implement is whether there is any gas leakage and you are detecting and you are giving it as an alarm system or a buzzer alarm system. Next, so as I said, for home automation, in home automation we are seeing particularly application smart lighting. So for that we are using PIR sensor. So smart lighting technology is implemented by using PIR sensor. Why we are choosing PIR sensor is, PIR is, it is an infrared sensor which can detect the object which is moving in its the detection area. So that's why we are choosing it. Why? Because if there is any person coming inside the particular room, so the PIR sensor will detect some object. Particularly it will not detect a person or an animal, anything, but what is the object that is coming in its detection area, it will detect and make the light on in that particular room. In order to get that, we are using PIR sensor. So PIR sensor, as we said, it is a passive infrared sensor, is an electronic sensor that measures infrared light radiating from objects in its field of view. PIR sensors are commonly used in security alarms or automatic lighting applications. PIR sensor detects general movement but do not give information on who or what has been moved. That is what I told, it only just detects the object. What is that object? Information is not detected by PIR sensor, it only detects the object. And this is the pin description. Pin 1 is the power supply, pin 2 is the output pin to the Raspberry Pi, which pin you are selecting. Pin 3 is connected to the ground. And this is the program. Actually these programs we have already seen in the previous units, where we have learned the sensors, functionality of sensors and implementation of the sensor. So same program you can use here for smart lighting. So here import RPI.GPIO as GPIO pins, you are importing the library, importing the time library function, GPIO.set warnings, and then GPIO.set mode, you are selecting to which mode, that is numbering system. We are selecting board here, and 11th pin, 3rd pin you are selecting for input and output, 3rd pin for output, 11th pin for input. That means reading whatever the sensor values are read are taken in the 11th pin, and the output pin, that is LED glow or alarm on, that you are setting to the pin number 3. And then whatever the sensor is selecting, that value you are storing it in a variable called it as I. If I is equal to 0 means what? When output from motion sensor is low, that means no person is detected, no object is detected. And in the same way GPI.output 3, 0. So this is the output pin, that means for glowing the LED on and off. So that is if I is equal to 1. That means the person is detected, so the LED will be turning on, and it will be wait for some time. If the person goes, again it will be in the off mode. If again some object is detected, it will be in a on mode. So LED will be on and off depending upon the object moving in the view detecting area of PIR sensor. So this is the connection, and this is the output, whether the person is detected or person is not detected. That will be the output for this program. So this program already you have seen, but you can use this program in the smart lighting in home automation application.